Hello everyone, I am Saranya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology. Today we are discuss about in referential integrity in relational database model. The first of all integrity constraints. Uh, so first of all the referential integrity, it is a ensure that the foreign key values in the child table either or matches in a primary key values in the parent tables or is a null. The integrity constraints is a set of rules. This is a set of rules. It is used to maintain the quality of information. It is ensured that the data of insertion, updation and other process have performed in such a uh, way that the data integrity is not affected. It is used to guard the accidental damage of a databases. And then the types of referential integrity is a domain constraints, entity integrity constraints, referential integrity constraints, and key constraints. Key constraints. Yeah, first of all, yeah, domain constraint it is a defined as a definition of a valid and set of values from an attribute. This type of domain is include the string, character, integers, time, date and accuracies and concurrency or etc. This is a valid of attribute must be available in the corresponding of a domain. Uh, and the entity integrity constraints is a primary key value cannot be null, and thus they because of primary key value is used in a identify the individual rows in relations, and if the primary key has a null or then we have cannot identify the these of a rows. For the examples of student ID of an student ID name and department ID and uh, department ID. A referential integrity constraints, it is a one table 2 of primary key and then another table of uh, referred from the process. The referential integrity is and specified between the two tables and is used to maintain a consistency among the tuples in the two relationship. Instead that the tuples in the one relation that it's referred to another relation, it must refer to an existing tuples in the relations. For the examples of the department ID and student ID, is a referential integrity examples. Now I consider my own examples of an employee name and employee ID and age and department number, and the next one is an department number and departmentation of and the locations. The first of all the employee and then here that the for the examples of department is a parent table and student is a child table. From the table one parent table is a department ID is in a primary key and student table is a student ID is in a primary key and the department ID is a foreign key. And And the YV referential integrity is a needed. It is a prevents the invalid references and maintains the data consistency and ensure the reliable relationship between the tables. And then the final one is in a key constraints. Key constraints is the entity set that is used to identify an entity within its entity set is a uniquely. An entity set have a multiple keys, but out of which one key will be the primary key. The primary key can contain the unique and null values in the referential tables. The integrity rules. The main rule of referential integrity is an the foreign key value is in one table is correspond to and the existing primary key values in the another table. When primary key value is deleted for all foreign key values that reference in are also deleted or a set to null. When primary key value is updated, all foreign key values that reference it are also updated. And then thank you.